Kia ora, so I'm back in, and as you can see, I'm going Arabian today. Yeah, and I kind of feel like I own the beach because there's hardly no one on it. And yeah, there's my little tent. Yeah, just kick that back. Doesn't that look amazing? Because it is super hot out here, and the boys are down there at the beach. And as you can see, there's nobody on the beach. Okay, so I'm feeling great right about now, and I'm going back into the tent, everybody. So let's go and sit down, mate. Okay, so I brought my fried rice that I whipped up about half an hour ago, and I feel like a bit of a dinner, you know what I mean? So I might sit back and do that for now. Peace.